Hi guys, today we will study about the different types of water turbines. Well, what is a water turbine? This is a device which will convert the energy of falling water into mechanical energy in the form of the rotation of shaft. This energy can then be used to drive the generator to produce electricity. Next, moving on to the classification. Well, water turbines are classified on several bases. First, they are classified on the basis of the energy at the inlet. They are classified into impulse turbines and reaction turbines. In impulse turbines, the energy available at the inlet is only the kinetic energy of the water. In reaction turbines, both the pressure and kinetic energy is available at the inlet. Next, it is classified on the basis of head at the inlet of the turbine. Well, head is nothing but the vertical height between the surface of the turbine and the water reservoir. Here, it is classified into high head turbines, medium head turbines and low head turbines. In high head turbines, the head of water at the inlet will range to a height from several hundred to a few thousand meters. In medium heads, the head of water will range from a height of 50 meters to 400 meters. And in a low head turbine, the head of water will have the height in the range which is less than 50 meters. Next, it is classified on the base of the direction of flow through the runner. Here, it is classified into tangential, axial, radial and mixed flow turbines. In tangential flow turbines, the water will flow along a tangent to the runner. In axial flow, the water will flow in a direction which is parallel to the axis of the runner. In radial flow, the water will flow in a radial direction through the runner. In a mixed flow, there will be the combination of two flows, that is, the water will flow radially into the runner and will leave the runner axially. Next, let us study the construction and working of a Pelton wheel turbine. Well, this is a tangential flow impulse turbine which is used for high heads of water. Well, this consists of a nozzle which is attached to the penstock. The penstock is actually a large pipe which will carry the water from the reservoir to the turbine. The nozzles are arranged in such a way that the water coming out from it will fall tangentially to the circumference of the runner wheel. The speed and flow of the water in the nozzle is controlled by a spearhead which is operated by a hand wheel. Next, it consists of runners and buckets. Well, runner is a circular wheel which will have a series of evenly spaced objects known as buckets which are fixed around its periphery. These buckets will have a bowl-like shape. Next, it has a turbine casing. The function of the casing is to prevent the splashing of water and also help in the discharging of water into the tail race. The tail race is a path through which the used water is pumped out for irrigation and other purposes. Now, let us see how this turbine works. Well, water from the reservoir will have potential energy stored in it. As this water flows through the penstock and enters the nozzle, the potential energy of the water is converted into kinetic energy. Hence, the high velocity jet of water coming out from the nozzle falls on the curved blades which are fixed around the runner wheel. When the water hits the blades, there will be an impulsive force set up due to which it will set the runner into rotary motion. Hence, the shaft which is coupled to the runner will also rotate, thereby driving the generator to produce electricity. After this, the water is freely discharged into the tail race. Thank you.
Wow, that's impressive! You have completed a magic today. For more videos, subscribe. Join our Facebook group and Instagram page for group discussion and live magazine videos for exam preparation in an hour. We start at class-like community for students to learn from a friend in a simple way and support them in their own languages. If you are willing to be that one friend who saves us at the exam night preparation, then please join us by visiting classfly.in.